One of the questions I hear all the time is, can you start affiliate marketing with no money? Well, the simple answer is yes. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it and how you can have me support you to get started quickly. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel, we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm growing my affiliate marketing business without the need for Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other type of paid advertising that the gurus are promoting. This is about building an online business, an online income that you can turn into a full-time income over time, starting with no money, meaning you don't need to invest in all those paid ads that are supposedly the next big thing or the only way to grow your business. We both know that's just not true. Look, I know it can be hard when you first get started. Heck, I get it. It can be overwhelming with all the tools and resources and tips that are out there. It's like there's a new thing you have to master every other month. Like right now it's YouTube, TikTok, and the new kid on the block that is invite only in Clubhouse. And I get it. These are tools that are great for growing your email lists, and I'm doing most of them in some way. But one of the biggest lessons I learned in the last year is that you can't do them all when you're just getting started. Now, before I dive into how you can get started with no money, I want to make sure you understand that this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I just don't believe in them, and neither should you. The only people who make money from get-rich-quick schemes are the criminals that promote them. In fact, with this method, you might not make any money at all. However, if you're ready to learn, to understand how to do it without having to spend on all these extra resources, then this is for you. So let's take a look at how I recommend you get started in affiliate marketing to grow an online income without spending any money on ads. First up is the method, and like I've already mentioned, the method is affiliate marketing, where you're paid to promote other people's products. And this is exactly what I do in one of my businesses, and I love it. And when you're an affiliate marketer, you don't have to worry about creating products or customer service or shipping or any physical product or product development. This is all managed by the product owner that you're promoting. So it's perfect for the beginner. You don't need to own your own website or to get bogged down in all the tech requirements of running a website and product delivery. So the first step is to get comfortable with the concept of promoting products that you don't own, and you're going to promote them as an affiliate marketer. The second aspect you need to consider is what products are you going to promote. There are lots of products available, particularly on networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and there's probably others. And while these are all good in one way or another, and I've tried each of them, they can be difficult for a beginner. So the alternative that I highly recommend is that you look for someone that you can partner with that has a range of products from low ticket to high ticket. Now, if you aren't sure what that means, check out the video in the link above for my detailed discussion of the argument between low and high ticket offers. The thing is, you want to partner with someone who has both. You want to be able to promote offers like, say, a free book that leads to further offers. And if the lead purchases, you'll get a commission from the sale. There are a few options of companies or people that have this feature. One of my favorites is ClickFunnels, who have an awesome range of products that are great for beginners. Another is Anthony Morrison, which is who I started with, and I recommend you do too. You can join the Partner with Anthony program by clicking the link in the description. Now, the reason why I recommend that you use the link below is that you'll also get my support and access to a bunch of resources to ensure that you actually get started and take action. One of the problems with people who want to build an online income is that they say they want to get started, but they don't take any action. They might even buy a program like PWA, which you can get for just $7 per month. And because it's so inexpensive, they don't value it and end up doing nothing with it. By using the link below, you'll get my support, including all the lessons I learned when I did the program, the things you should do and the things you shouldn't, and how you can also use the ClickFunnels program to boost your results and income. So make sure you click the link to get started. Now, one of the main reasons that I like PWA so much, other than the awesome training that it provides, is that you have access to a full range of low ticket to high ticket offers, and you don't have to own them to make money from them. There are other programs out there that will force you to own all the products in order to earn commissions from them. I want you to use this as a measuring stick when assessing what you're going to promote. If the company wants you to buy all their products, then you should run for the hills and look elsewhere. Like right here, where I'm suggesting you start with PWA. I just don't think it's a good practice to force your affiliates to buy products that they may or may not need in order to earn commissions. Okay, so read over, let's move on to how to generate traffic without having to spend any money. So the third element of starting an affiliate marketing business with no money is free traffic. So how do you get free traffic without having to spend on Facebook ads, Google ads, or solo ads? I'm going to outline two methods for you that you can use, and you can start with one and add the second when you're comfortable with the first one, or you can try both at the start. Either way, they're both ways to generate free traffic. The first is with Facebook, which is probably still the number one way to bring people into your system. And there are 4 ways you can use Facebook to generate free traffic. The first is to start your own Facebook group and provide value to an audience that you can grow from your personal profile to start with, and then from organic growth, either from Facebook recommending your group or from people finding it in their search feature. The second, and if you don't want to start your own group, you can go into other groups and provide value by answering questions and becoming known as someone who helps and has the answers. You can then share your link, if it's allowed in the group, of course. Or you can reach out to people who engage with you, or even better, they'll reach out to you. The third option is to use your personal profile to promote what you do. Set it up so that people can find your offer and make friend requests to people who you think need what you have to offer. And better still, people who have a problem that you can solve. And the fourth is to create a fan page. And this way, people who want what you're talking about will follow you, and you can share content and make offers to them because they've indicated they're interested in what you are talking about and potentially your offers. Now, these are all steps that I'm taking in growing my business, and since they're free, I highly recommend you start with them to get an idea of how it works and, more importantly, the messages that work. The second free method you can use is YouTube, just like this video and my channel. And if you can create consistent content on YouTube, you can grow an audience and over time generate more and more free traffic as YouTube begins to recommend your videos to others who are looking for answers that your content provides. Now, this is a slower burn process, but importantly, it's free. So you can do some work and learn a bunch of lessons as you progress before contemplating spending any money on paid ads. It just means that when you're ready for paid ads, you'll have a lot more experience and understanding of what works and what doesn't. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how you can start building an affiliate marketing business with no money. We've covered a lot today, so let's do a quick recap of the key concepts. First was the method to grow an online income, which I recommend be affiliate marketing. Second was what products to promote, which should include a range of low and high ticket offers. And third was the 2 sources I recommend for free traffic, being Facebook and YouTube. Now, as I mentioned, if you want to get started building an online business using affiliate marketing to create an online income, click the link in the description to access my free report and join the PWA program, where you'll not only get the free training on how to set this all up, but also my personal support to ensure you take advantage of everything I learned from doing the program, which includes the things not to do, which is worth a heap of time and money, and the things you should do. Plus you get my support to do the thing that most people don't do when they get into these programs, and that's to take action, the action needed to start seeing the online income coming into your account. It's sad but true that most people want to make an online income, but they don't take any action to get it. By having me support you, I'll help you get past the overwhelm, the fear, and help you solve any issues as you progress. And you'll get some of my resources that make life a whole lot easier for you. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to join get started in affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget to get started with your own online business. Click the link below so you can get started the right way today.